Welcome back. Goa Police conducted raid and arrested a Ghanian national with 210 grams of cocaine in Saligao on Friday. Police have seized cocaine worth 21 lakh rupees from the accused person. They also have issued an advisory to public to be aware of imposters posing as police.
PSI Sitakan Naik and PSI Somnath Mazik, along with some of their staff, conducted a raid between 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. near Saligao Cemetery, Bardej. Caught red-handed Abed Macaulay Manteo, age 45 years, Ghanian national.
Goa Police have issued advisory to public to be aware of imposters posing as police.
There have been certain cases where certain people become and act like they are police officers. Basically, this is sort of pan-India gang. This is not a Goan gang which is operating in Goa. And that's why it is taking time for us to make headway in arresting them. And these culprits are also carrying with them fake yellow metal bangles or similar size tin covers and stones in paper packets. And they are very adept at hand tricks. And they exchange the real jewelry with this fake jewelry and hand over to the victim. And then when the victim reaches home and checks the paper packet, then to her shock she finds that it is all fake. That they should not interact with any person who poses as a police personnel, especially if he is in civil clothes. In case the person tries to divert the attention, they should immediately try to contact the nearest possible person. Also, since most of the Goan police officers are fluent in Konkani, if this imposter is speaking in Hindi or Marathi, then the victim should be more alert about the accent and all that thing.
Goa Police have also released a sketch of the accused person involved in the theft case in the jurisdiction of Old Goa Police Station by impersonating himself as a police personnel. DIG Ravindra Yadav says that some banks, while competing with each other, don't follow KYC norms that restrict the police in solving criminal cases.
There is a KYC norm in the bank, know your customer. But these banks, while competing with each other to open more and more new accounts, they are not following that KYC norms properly. So they open the account whenever somebody comes, and without verifying whether it is a genuine person or it is a fictitious name. And this person dupes the victim, gets the money and then vanishes. He never comes again to operate that account. So by the time you freeze that account or you put a trap that the person would come again to operate that account, he never surfaces again. Norms are there, but they should follow it. That is the main thing.
Goa Police are investigating the case of alleged filming and circulation of obscene video by a police constable. A reporter from Panaji, Navdeep Agyar, with video journalist Prajot Petnekar.
Churchill Alemau's press conference with UGDP has raised many eyebrows. The briefing has attained importance as he has taken up Daboli Airport issue on the backdrop of Kautali Bipole. Churchill Alemau addressed media along with the Vice President of the UGDP on Saturday. He opposed the Mopa Airport project and threatened agitation along with the UGDP.
Churchill Alemau says that if at all Mopa Airport comes up, the airport must be given to Navy, while Daboli Airport must be kept open for public. He also says that Alina Saldana should look into the matter of medium of instruction.
Mopa Airport tori aha kuru jata जाल्यार हांव म्हणटा ही नेवी थिंग शिफ्ट करपाची आनी हो सिविलियनान दवरपाचो कित्याक हो सिविलियन जर एअरपोर्ट दवरलो जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता एमांग द नॉर्थ आनी सावथ तर पळोवपाक गेले जाल्यार 80% 5-स्टार हॉटेलां ह्या वाटेन आहाय. हो जर तर एअरपोर्ट तर मोपा तर चालू केलो आनी मोपा जर एअरपोर्ट तयार जालो त्या दिसाक चालू जाता त्या दिसाक हो एअरपोर्ट सिविलियनाक हो एअरपोर्ट टुरिस्टाक बंद जातलो. क्लियर 500 करोड मोडले म्हूण एअरपोर्ट नेवी वचना आसना पूण जे दिसाक हो एअरपोर्ट बंद जाता त्या दिसाक गोंयची इकॉनॉमिकल इतले प्रॉब्लेम जातले मागीर आयांनी तुवें बॉम्ब मारून कांय फायदो जावपाचो ना.
Vice President of the UGDP Radharao Gracious says that once Goa has another airport, Daboli Airport would be closed for civilians by the Navy. He says that the BJP should clear its stand on medium of instruction.
We have always been opposed to the Mopa airport. Now we have been told by the Chief Minister that they will not close Daboli airport. Both airports will be kept open. Now the Chief Minister has no business to talk on this. The Daboli airport, as of now, is owned by the Indian Navy and is under their control. They are only allowing civilian flights there for a short period because there is no civilian airport in Goa. Today we are using the Daboli airport at the pleasure of the Indian Navy. The day Goa has its own airport, the Indian Navy will withdraw the facility provided for civilian aircraft. And then there is nothing that the Chief Minister can do about it. Because Daboli airport is not under the control either of the Chief Minister of Goa or under the Union Civil Aviation Ministry. It is controlled by the Indian Navy. So today an attempt is being made to fool the people of Goa by saying that Daboli airport will be retained. There is no way Daboli airport can be retained the moment Goa has another airport. Let the BJP make its stand very clear whether they are willing to give grants to all irrespective of the medium of instruction before the elections. They are very conveniently keeping the issue in abeyance, and the issue has to be solved now because the parents have to know now what their children are going to study.
This media briefing has given rise to many new speculations as Churchill, in his usual style, has raked up issues like MOI and MOPA just before Kortali by-poll. Our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.